Hi, it's Tommy Stewart, and today I'm talking about a company known as Instant Local Landing Pages. It's something that's been put together by an organisation called Pixel Crafter. Don't have to get some funny names with people who put together these programs. Anyway, it's as per the heading, local business, and the full title, instant local landing pages. It's to do with local advertising on the internet. I mean, for example, if you want, it's more complicated than it seems, because A, you've got to put the website together properly, and B, you've got to have the right wording as well. I mean, for example, if you want a local handyman, you would click on Google, you put your local address in, the town that is where you live, and you type in handyman, and bingo, up comes handyman, because you've put the correct formation in with regards to your website, and you've used the correct wording. The same applies for joiners, carpenters, bricklayers, roofers, you name it. It's all got to be put together properly. The wording is very important. Anyway, there isn't very much more to discuss with regards to this. Just make sure that you follow your instructions properly when putting it together. I mean, the price wise, let me see how much the price is. It's $14, which isn't a lot of money. I mean, if you've got a business which is local and you want to make sure it gets seen, then for an outlay of $14, it's worth every penny. Conversely, if you want to start a business up whereby you telephone or call on people, local businesses, walk around them, or send them emails, or write to them, you could establish a very good business setting this up for people and charge them $200, $250 a time, and you would get it enthusiastically, particularly after you've done maybe your first or second. I could use them as examples for other people. So there's two ways to look at this one then. One, you have a business and you want it to be noticed, and two, you want to set up a business and you want to contact all the local businesses and get them to take you on to put this together for them and put it out onto the internet. With this program, this $14 program, which is a business for nothing, isn't it? To get you the correct wording and the correct website. Well, not only, of course, can you have that, but I'll give you 5 bonuses as well, which should take the pain away for the $14 you have to pay out. The reality is, of course, that if you can look at it that you're getting it for nothing, because for $14 I'm giving you 5 fantastic bonuses, which are well worth more, a lot more than your $14. So have a think about it and have a look below. You'll find my domain name down there, and when you click on it, it will take you to where you can see your 5 bonuses which I'm giving you, and you can have a read at them and see what you think. Definitely worth having. In reality, you're getting 5 bonuses for $17, and you're getting the instant local landing pages for nothing. So I'll leave it with you, and best of luck into you and your business. And I'll talk to you another time. Bye.